Dear student, this is a sufficient archaeological evidence of early man living in caves, as we are seeing in the here. It is sufficient evidence for archaeologists that early man was living in caves. One such cave has been found in Bhimbetka near the Narmada River in Madhya Pradesh, as you are seeing in this picture. Similarly, caves have also been found in the Vindhya mountains and the mountains regions of South India also. This type of caves has been found by the archaeologists. So it is a sufficient, I can say, evidence the archaeologists that early man lives in the caves. Again, as we are seeing next here, changing climate. It is believed that there were major changes in the climate conditions of the earth around 12,000 years ago. Climate changes brought about changes in the flora, plants life, fauna, animal life or the different regions. Grass eating and meat eating animals increased in the plains. Thus, the man learned to tame and domesticate animals for his use. Man found naturally occurring crops of wheat and barley in the plains of India. Gradually, he learned to grow them extensively and store them for future use. Farming brought them together and encouraged them to live a settled community life. Thus, man became social and developed language to communicate. Yes, see, the role of man and woman. What is the role of man and woman? We do not know exactly what role man and women played at that time, okay, early beginning time. So we have some question. Did men and women both go for hunting? As you got it out, okay, only men go for the hunting or both men and women for going hunting? Another question you may arise, did men gather food and make weapons? Did women paint on the walls of the cave? These doubts you actually naturally you got. But what the archaeologists say that it is possible that both men and women worked together. It is also possible that some jobs were done by only by women, some jobs. Different traditions would have been followed in different parts of India with regard to this. Thus, we can say that man's knowledge and awareness about life increased, which led to further socialization. Okay, here socialization means different people communicate together, different people moving together. Okay, this was his first step towards culture and civilization. We can say socialization was the first step towards culture and civilization. We get detailed chronological information about this from the excavations carried out in the Central and North America, because different excavations, diggings were carried out, okay, in Central and North Gujarat. These remains of humans and animal skeletons have been found in, okay, Langach and Akach villages in the Sabarmati region and Amrapur of the Mahi River region.